What's up, pretty gang? It's your favorite nail tech Peaches, back with another video, and today this is what I'm giving for you guys: a really cutesy girly Valentine's Day inspired set. My client had a few pictures that she liked, some nails from this picture, some nails from that picture, and this is pretty much what we got. Before we get started, don't forget, check the description when you have a chance. I have coupon codes, my Amazon storefront link, all that good stuff. I do offer classes. I have a French tip group class coming up. You can sign up using the link in the description. I also offer one-on-ones for those who are interested and want to learn more thoroughly from me. Even if you want to do virtually, you can still sign up or book and send me a DM, okay? And also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss nothing. So the color we're using is Candy Yum Yum by Nail Polish, because if not Nail Polish, it's not nothing. And baby, this was a new jar, so I was very excited to use it. We are going to go ahead and get started with application. Now, heads up, I am doing this video a little bit differently. It is still in full time. However, the way that I edit it was kind of similar to how I edit shorts, where I am showing you exactly what's going on, but this is not every single detail of the entire process. So I am showing you start to finish, of course, but just not every single little part. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's a shorter length video and it makes it a lot easier for me to get videos out since I'm like working all day full time. Okay, so here we go. We're doing application. You guys can see we're just pretty much knocking this out. Make sure that you have a nice and smooth face, because we're going to be doing a lot of nail art, and if your base is not smooth, it's going to take a lot longer to shape, which is going to make your set take longer. And if you're not able to shape it properly on top of the application not being smooth, then your nail art will look lumpy and bumpy. Okay, that is one thing about it. So here we are. We're going to go ahead and finish file and shape, making sure everything is nice and smooth. As you guys can pretty much see, the nails are in pretty good shape, nice condition. This length I would consider as, you know, a medium length, and this is pretty much it for the base. Okay, I am gonna go ahead and hand file, crisp up the shape, and then we will be getting started. I'm also going to show you guys, we're going to buff, we're going to wash hands, and then of course I like to paint on top of top coated nails. So if you're having trouble with getting nice smooth lines, and you're using quality brushes that you like, try painting on top of top coat. You guys, I'm sorry for all the stutters, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so here we go. We're buffing, and then I am of course doing another check to make sure that everything is same length, because no matter how you start off with the tips, you can still end up with nails that are uneven. So Miss Mamas went ahead and washed her hands, and while she did that, I went ahead and started resetting the table so that way we don't have any dust around and we're ready to paint. So this is kind of what she's looking at. You guys can see what she's showing me, and I'm like, okay, yeah, we could definitely do that. So first things first, we need to go ahead and glue these bows. I only had 2 pink, so she decided to do 2 pink on one hand and 2 white on the other hand. Okay, now this is an order of operations when you're doing complex sets like this. I prefer to go ahead and glue stuff onto just the bare acrylic, because to me it sticks better. There's no issues with it just popping off. So we're gonna go ahead and use some glue activator spray to make sure everything stays in place. Then, because we're going to paint and we got that out of the way, we need to seal around the bows with glue, top coat, and then we can go ahead and paint. That's my order of operations, as I do not draw on top of bare acrylic. So once you get that out of the way, then we're going to move on to the next nail. So realistically, to make these sets go by a little bit quicker, just think of the order of operations you need. Like, okay, if I know I have nails where I have to glue charms on it and draw something as well, you need to start there. You need to work on gluing the charms and getting them in the right spot, so then you can do what you have to do so you can do the nail art portion. Okay, so this is just like a little scalloped edge, nothing too crazy, and this one is a bow. This is how I draw my bows since like Christmas time. I'm sure you guys have seen that trend. If you're having a hard time with nail art, think about stuff in the sense of, what shape is this, right? So for a heart, you guys can see, okay, let me do this half over here and let me do this half over here. This is how I kind of do my hearts. Then we're going to color it in, because that's what it shows in the picture. This is what she wants. So from there, I cleaned it up, and I know, okay, we have this like blown out, laced up looking edge, as you can see. So let me make sure they're in the right spot, in this right shape, and then we're going to go around with blooming gel, not on the whole nail, because we don't want the blooming gel to make the polish spread everywhere. We're just going to go just around the nail, and we're going to get that done. And then we're going to go ahead and cure that when we're happy with how it's blown out, and then draw the little laciness, which is kind of like a little squiggle. So the last thing we need to do is put these pearls on, which again, I don't glue on top of top coat, which means I need to go ahead and buff off some of the top coat so I have something for the pearls to stick to so they won't just slip and slide around. And after that, we're pretty much going to top coat, and that's it. So I hope this tutorial, it's like a mini tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. There's not too many skills needed to do a set like this. It's really just order of operations, so it doesn't take forever. Of course, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I have another video coming, and I will see you guys in the next one.